This Select Realty property video is presented by Deana Dixon. In the rolling hills of the Ouachita Mountains, this little getaway has the Buffalo Creek winding through the property. Teeming wildlife and designed for a hunter's heart. Cozy cabin sits 200 yards from paved County Road 21, but still private and out of view. Mixed timber with ATV trails throughout. Stands and feeders to convey. Pine plantation ready for harvest in 3-year storm shelter accessible through living room floor. Electric fireplace. Breezeway separates bedrooms. Agents, see documents and remarks. For more information, review the details below.